If you've never watched anime because you think it's just cartoons for kids, I'm about to change your entire life. Stop scrolling. Here are the top 5 shows that are practically designed to get you addicted, ranked by how easy they are to get into. At number 5, we're cheating a little. We're starting with a movie, Your Name. Look, if you don't want to commit to a TV series, watch this. It is visually the most beautiful thing you will ever see. It's a romance about body swapping that turns into a massive supernatural mystery. It will make you cry, I guarantee it. Number 4 is Spy X Family. Imagine a super spy who needs to infiltrate a school, so he adopts a daughter and hires a fake wife. But he doesn't know his wife is a deadly assassin, and his daughter is a telepath reading both their minds. It's hilarious, it's wholesome, and the action is surprisingly top tier. Number 3 is Demon Slayer. This is the modern king. The story is simple. A boy fighting demons to save his sister. But you're watching this for the animation. The studio, Ufotable, makes every fight scene look like a multi-million-dollar budget movie. It is pure eye candy. Number 2, Fullmetal Alchemist, Brotherhood. Ask any anime fan, and they will tell you this is the perfect anime. There are no plot holes. The magic system makes sense. The characters grow up. It's a complete story about 2 brothers paying a heavy price for trying to play God. It hits different. But number 1 is the ultimate trap, Death Note. This isn't about fighting. It's a high-stakes chess match between a genius serial killer and the world's greatest detective. It's a psychological thriller that hooks you in the first 10 minutes. If you only watch one, make it this one. Seriously, give one of these a shot this weekend. And if you've already seen them, which one would you recommend to a total newbie? Tell me in the comments.